Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma menhaka arhuai terik upana jeleu arjar arpuar ulah hiar sya South Gar Hills District ban le Jngoh dalade ya ki jingjulor jong ki Jingkieng bat ki lenti ki singkin kabalolong nagadau jong ki jingjur slap hakini ki khendiat singi ki bladam nakaleng jong Menteri Rangba hadin balawan ban Jngoh dalade ya ki Paidbah harilum khasi bat jantia ulah leit pat sasharilum karo ban le Jngoh dalade bat rupan peniok panmang ya ki jingirap ya ki lanon Namar ke Dkut no jong ke Jingkieng kala penlong kat adu bagi Paidbah kimla Shuh ban Leit banwan bat ban jam ceciliang jong kawa bat nagaliang jong Menteri Rangba ulo betha ban penpoi ya ki marbam syakiti senong ki ba om la Shuh ban jam ceciliang jong kane kawa.
Are they getting food relief that side because I'm told that they're totally cut off?
From the other side also they cut off.
We gave for 3 days to the affected areas.
So just make sure because
Okay,
I'm told that they're cut off from both sides.
That's it. I'll check.
No, from that. Yeah, I mean MLA is saying that they cut off from both sides.
Yeah.
Water resources also down.
नहीं है सर
आपसे पूछना है water resources
जो दाल इबा जाकुन दे
water resources निको
दुकान
so what's the water resources there
akan ada juga tu we dua mu esti
down chin yap ne just tell the water resource guys to give me an idea about this stretch about 100 meters you know we are in Dalu area today and again because of heavy rains there has been a lot of damage but here mostly the damage has been to the roads and infrastructure. As you can see bridges like these have been washed out and now there's a disconnectivity between villages and so we have a huge challenge now to bring that back. So we have just come here with the Honorable MLA and other officials from PWD and other departments and the Deputy Commissioner and officials to see the situation, monitor it and to immediately rectify it so that we can bring back the entire life to normalcy out here. So we will do what we can and we have urged PWD to take immediate action so that the bridge can be restored at the earliest so that people can have the necessary connectivity in this particular road.